Hello, I am Jari Saari from Metsä Limited. I have more than 20 years of work experience in the metal industry. With the European Union Construction Products Regulation, the creation of documentation, the declaration of performances, and the maintenance and surveillance of factory production control (FPC), among other things, have become an important part of the daily work for the companies in this field. Along with the experts in the field, we have developed a service that makes all this easy, fast, and secure.
Certo software offers you features to perform all required tasks of CE marking. Certo is a cloud-based service, and there's no installation needed. Certo works on any computer or mobile device, and all information is always up to date and easily available everywhere. With the help of Certo, administrator users can, for example, automatically generate documents to be provided to customers, prepare the Declaration of Performance, DOP, and create CE marking by one click, monitor the progress of product manufacture and installation in real time, securely store all needed documentation with automatic backup, implement and administrate factory production control digitally. Production user can easily see the assembly instructions saved by the designer, fill the checklists of products to demonstrate that all stages of the fabrication procedure have been carried out correctly, take photos and videos if needed, print out the CE label and affix to the product. Installer user can easily see the installation instructions and information saved by the designer, fill the installation report digitally, take photos or videos if needed. Certo software is very user-friendly. Because the software is designed specifically for the metal window and door industry, it's very easy to use and includes only the features your business needs. With Certo, your business saves both time and money. In addition, you can be sure that all required tasks have been completed, and you have a secure document control system to ensure traceability, maintenance, and archiving of all relevant documents.